everybody, Papa Blue Shirt. Today we're going to put an adjustable stem on my Philodo H8. Let's get going. Here's what it looks like when you get it. It's really nice. I have this on my jumbo, and I really like it. So we're going to put this on the H8. It's really hot in here, so I'm going to put it on time lapse, but yeah, you'll see. It'll be nice. Yeah, you can see I had to put a spacer here because this one's not as thick as the original. You want to leave a little bit of a space here. I don't know, it might be too much of a space, but we'll see here. So it's a good idea to have some spacers on hand. I'll leave a link for all that down below. So yeah, put the spacers in until it's just below this. That should work. Well, that's what it looks like. On here, I have it all the way up, as far as it'll go. I'm so used to it now on my jumbo that feels so weird when I ride this bike now. So maybe this will make them both the same. So let's go and take it for a test ride. All right, we'll look at the lizard. The lizard. Thought it was a mouse at first. Anyways, here's where we're starting. 14 to 24. I brought a couple of wrenches along, so in case I have any problems, hopefully they'll stay in there. Might need to rearrange those, but yeah, there's what it looks like. I can tell already right now I'm going to like it. The heat index is over 100, which is why I'm in here right now getting ready. But yeah, so we're going to go, and I told my wife it wouldn't be very long. She's got food on, so it'll probably be like 25 or 30 miles, probably. About all I can do in this heat, because it's right in the middle of the day. In the afternoon, I can pretty well handle it, but I don't want to break down. All right, well, the roughest part is done. I'm out of my driveway, and boy, it feels a lot better. Much nicer position. Well, so far I really like it. Well, it's not as bad out here as I thought it was going to be. I must just be getting used to riding in the heat or something. Of course, when you're riding 115 heat index, 100 don't seem so bad. Yeah. Yeah, I like it. Makes me feel like I'm more in control. Higher position here. Well, I stopped back there to make sure my Velcro straps were tightened up, and a guy in the truck pulled up next to me and made sure I was okay, so that was nice. Talking about your southern hospitality. On a hot day like this, you know, you kind of want to help people out if they're having a problem, you know. He had a trailer, you know, with a lawnmower on it, so I could have just threw my bike on there, and he could have took me somewhere if he needed to, but I was okay. Went about 5 miles so far. Yep, I really like this. Really like it. Yeah, I could sure tell the difference that I changed the rear brake, so got much more braking power now. But yeah, so far I really like this. Put you more of an upright position so it matches my jumbo. It opens up the hip angle a little bit too because you're sitting more upright. So if you have a problem with your sacroiliac joint, that'd really help that. Be able to be more upright and so your knees don't come up so high. This bike has a 155 millimeter cranks on it, and my Jumbo's got a 140, and boy, I can really tell the difference. So I may change that in the future. Yeah, it's not too bad down here in the shade. You get out in the sun and it starts to get a little warm. You start to remember that it's hot. Not too bad in the shade though. Yeah, I don't know if you can hear that. But it's pretty loud. I need to change those gears. You gotta send me the right one. So hopefully I can get that done pretty soon. Otherwise it's pretty loud. It's because there's some teeth missing. Not so bad when it's not on full blast, but when you're at top speed, boy, it gets kind of loud.
He's not Papa Smurf, he's Papa Blue Shirt. Big smile, big heart, never feeling the hurt. Feels like 16 wind in his hair. Riding the open road without a single care. It's Papa Blue Shirt tearing up the street, rolling through life with that powerful beat. He's aiming for 50, come rain or shine. One way or another, he'll cross that line. He's got the fire, he's got that drive, living every day like he's alive. The miles keep rolling and so does he. Papa Blue Shirt, wild and free. It's Papa Blue Shirt tearing up the street, rolling through life with that powerful beat. He's aiming for 50, come rain or shine. One way or another, he'll cross that line. It's Papa Blue Shirt tearing up the street, rolling through life with that powerful beat. He's aiming for 50K, come rain or shine. One way or another, he'll cross that line. He's got the blue shirt, tearing up the street, rolling through life with that powerful beat. He's aiming for 50K, come rain or shine. One way or another, he'll cross that line. Down, Papa Blue Shirt owns this town. With every step he gets closer still, a legend in motion, always a will. It's Papa Blue Shirt tearing up the street, rolling through life with that powerful beat. He's aiming for 50, come rain or shine. One way or another, he'll cross that line. Cross that line.
All right, there's 31 miles. I gotta get inside, it's hot out here. So that's that. I really like it. Makes it be in a much more comfortable position when you're riding. And there's what the total miles is. 14,256. If you have problems with your hands going to sleep and stuff like this is what you need to do. This will take the pressure off your hands and make your ride that much more comfortable. Alrighty, well, I'll leave a link for all that down below in case you want to try it out. And goodbye, good luck, and may the good Lord take a liking to you.